وآل رسول الله بيت مطهر محبتهم مفروضة كالمودة هم الحاملون السر بعد نبيهم وراثة أكرم بها من وراثة. And the family of Rasulullah are a purified house. Love for them is an obligation. And this is from the Quran. قُلْ إِن كُنْتُمْ تُحِبُّونَ اللَّهِ فَاتَّبِعُونِي يُحْبِبْكُمُ اللَّهِ. As we saw with the Sunnah. Similarly, Mahabba is also indicated in the form of mawadda, which is its synonym, where Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, قُلْ لَا أَسْأَلُكُمْ عَلَيْهِ أَجْرًا إِلَّا الْمَوَدَّةَ فِي الْقُرْبَى. Say, O Muhammad, I ask of you, that is to say the Quraysh, no reward for this service that I am doing you, except al-mawadda fil qurba, which is love for the sake of family. And the Mufassirun, such as Imam Jalaluddin al-Suyuti, say this has two possible meanings. Both of them are correct. One of them is that they should listen to him, alayhi salatu wasalam, because of the love that they must bear him as his relations. Al-mawadda fil qurba, they have to have that, so they should listen. But also that we should love his family. Al-mawadda fil qurba refers to the obligation upon every Muslim to love the family of the Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam. This is indicated in many of the formulas of salat and salam on the Prophet alayhi salatu wasalam, where we invariably put the al before the ashab. The al never come after the ashab. The al muqaddam. Why? Because they are a subset in the first instance of the ashab. The ahlul aba were all amongst the sahaba. And it's an obligation in all branches of Islam to love the family of the Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam. It's a fundamental virtue. Any Muslim community that moves away from this love of the Ahlul Bayt has moved away from the love of those whom the Prophet loved alayhi salatu wasalam. So he says, they are the ones who bear a sir, the secret, after their Prophet, and they are his heirs. How noble they are as heirs. And the ulama have always pointed out that the Ahlul Bayt have certain khasa'is, just as it is not permissible, for instance, to give them zakat in most of the madhahib, just as they have certain other khasa'is in sharia, pertaining in some madhahib also to who they can marry. So also, it's an obligation to believe that when they go astray only superficially. And that when they have istiqamah, their istiqamah is extraordinary and their spiritual growth rapid. Al-Haddad himself, radiallahu anhu, was from the Ahlul Bayt, the Sadat al-Alawiyin of Tarim. And he was as aware as anybody of the spiritual aptitude that Allah in His wisdom has set in the descendants of Sayyidina Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Nowadays with genetic science we have few problems with this. We know that certain traits, certain aptitudes, certain facilities are inherited. They're not just socially conditioned. I should finish shortly.